Is cavity wall insulation safe? For most homes, yes. It's been fitted in millions of UK houses and it works. But you've probably heard horror stories about damp, and those are real. So let's be straight about when it's safe and when it isn't. First, the good news. In a suitable home, solid, weatherproof outer walls and a clean cavity, insulation is perfectly safe, and it's already in millions of UK houses. It keeps heat in, cuts your bills, and you'll never notice it's there. So where do the horror stories come from? Almost always from fitting it in the wrong home. A wall that's very exposed to driving rain or already had damp, or from a rushed, poor installation. A proper survey first rules those homes out, which is why it matters so much. And here's your safety net. Work done by a registered installer is covered by an independent guarantee for 25 years. So in the rare case something does go wrong, the fix is protected, at no cost to you. Always check that guarantee is in place before you sign. So in the right house, fitted properly, cavity wall insulation is safe and saves you money. Get a proper survey first and use a registered installer. We explain the whole process at Axiom Eco Homes. Subscribe for more.